My name is Aminu Abashid. I'm excited to share my project, Education Performance Analysis. So this is the project workflow. This is the student data, and this is the database containing student ID, the full name, the gender, the class, the courses, the GPA, the attendance, the admission date, and the health status. So this is the database, and this is the dashboard. So quickly, let's enter a new entry with the help of our form. So quickly, we can create a new entry. So let's enter a new student ID. Write the full name. So the gender, male, the class, and the course, and the GPA, the admission dates, then the health status. All right, then enter, boom. So let's quickly check our entry. So this is the entry for the user, Aminu Abdulrashid. Okay, so this is how the form work, and there is a condition formula here. Whenever the user GPA is less than 0, it will be what? It will be filled with red. So let's quickly search for our students. So we can search for student ID of 20. Boom. So this is the student. So we can search for now student ID. Boom. Mark Joy, student ID of 22. Let's see. GPA of 3.4 and is fit. So it's perfectly correct. So let's quickly go to the pivot table. So this is the pivot table. So pivot table. So pivot table. So student distribution by gender. So let's quickly go to the dashboard. So this is the dashboard overview. Total students. This is the total. This is the average GPA. This is the average attendance, and these are the course performance GPA. This is the average GPA by classes, and this is the gender slider. This is strength by class, and these are the student distribution by gender. So let's check the slider and see the interactive of the words. So, okay. So this is the full project overview. So thank you so much for watching.